The objective of this lab demonstration is to use the ballistic pendulum apparatus to determine the velocity of the bullet. In this video, I will show the main parts and operation of the ballistic pendulum. Then, we will fire the bullet into the block and observe the angle at which the block will swing up to its resting position. This process will be repeated for all three cocking positions. This is the poking rod located at the base. This is the block aligned with the printed outline, suspended by 4 strings with equal lengths. This is the bullet hole that is part of the gun barrel. This is the trigger. This is the bullet hole. If you lift the block, you can see the bullet in the hole. To remove the bullet, use the poking rod. To fire this bullet, pull back the breech bolt and place the bullet into the hole. Make sure the pointer is at 0 degrees. Now press down the trigger. The pointer indicates the angle at which the block swung up after the bullet was fired.